Plastic card services. One of the common plastic card services are offered via credit cards. It's a convenient way of payment and widely accepted at retail outlets. It's a method of payment. Two popular method of payments. One is Visa and MasterCard. Banks are basically the credit or card issuer, and it's billed monthly for purchases and a fixed number of interest-free days before payment. We look at this diagram. For example, you as a buyer go to shop at Isetan, and Isetan is basically the merchant. You shop with a DBS credit card, and when you shop you use the DBS credit card. Okay, the card and the sales data are captured by UOB Bank, because at the terminal at Isetan, let's say in this situation, Isetan use the terminal from UOB. This basically the credit card terminal is issued by UOB, and UOB will transmit the data to DBS because the credit card belongs to DBS. And the fund will be transferred. Okay, basically the money, transfer money. DBS will transfer the money to Isetan through UOB, because the terminal is UOB, and DBS will send you a monthly bill, credit card bill. And cardholders is billed on monthly basis. It enjoys credit free a period of free credit, okay, or rather interest free, okay, period, probably about from 20 to 25 days. It depends on the banks that you are with. The credit card allows the user to pay a fixed percentage or amount, whichever is higher. Until fully paid, the amount used will incur interest charge at about 24% per annum. So it depends from banks to banks. The interest rate depends from banks and the different cards you have. I mean the cards that you have, the credit cards you use, and also depends if there's any promotion. And basically, there's many factors that can influence the interest rate charge. This beneficials, it benefits the retailers because it guaranteed payment. It provides guaranteed payment with signed vouchers, and reduce cash handling, because the retailer don't need to take the cash and deposit at the bank. Straight away, the money will deposit into the bank's account. It also improves sales because based on statistics, it does the usage of credit card encourage the user to buy things more readily. The benefits for the card holders is convenience, enjoy free credit, okay, for a short period of time. But of course, please remember to pay your bills, otherwise you incur interest rate. There are various incentives. Let's look at this another card that's pin-based debit card. Okay, look at here, the first one here, that this lady shop and want to buy this hat. So when you buy the hat at the payment, this is the terminal, okay, the credit card or debit card terminal. So basically, for debit card terminal is a pin. In this case, a pin base. You got to key in the pin number. So at the end of for monthly basis, okay, you can check, the customer can check the bank statement to make sure that the amount is correct. I mean, the payment amount is correct. Let's look at debit cards. Some of the debit cards requires pin. Some of the debit cards are pin number based. Basically, it's a personal identification number, which you are familiar with. Here, there's no credit standard, so basically means that there's no loan, and the money is basically the payment is straight away deduct from your bank account. Of course, the debit card can be used through shared ATM networks. For example, OCBC and UOB share their ATM machine. So basically, your UOB card can use a OCBC ATM machine. You also have it widens the geographical usage with uh, Visa Plus or Interlink. Basically, it means that you can you can use your debit card in certain countries apart from Singapore. I mean, you can use in overseas, in short. So if you have Visa Plus or Interlink, you can use that. Or Mastercard Sirius or Mastro's network. So with all this linkage, you can use overseas as long as the system provides, the network provides. Some of the cards, there are some signature-based debit card. So instead of using PIN, you can sign. The user can sign. So, but still, a PIN is usually issued. This appeals to teens or young working adults who want to have credit cards, but it's not eligible to have a credit card because the minimum there's a minimum requirements for credit card is 30,000. So if someone, I mean anyone who wants to have a credit card but cannot have one, this is the next best thing. There's same thing. There's no credit extended. Okay, the account amount used is straight debit from your account directly. So there's no risk of overspending. Okay, because once your balance sheet is zero, the transaction will not be approved. Then it's cater for more conservative spenders. Of course, they sometimes may incur monthly and annual fees. It may incur monthly and annual fees. Depends on what card you have. Okay, let's look at this. The world most exclusive credit cards. Do you know own any one of them? Okay, let's take a look. It's Master Card Gold Card, right? Minimum asset or income required is unknown. I'm not able to find it. The annual fee is 900 plus about 1,000. The card is gold plated carbon card. The rewards it offers is there's double points when redeemed from airfares. Okay, 2% cashback. Okay, there's a application fee of credit of $100. Best reward for luxuries of all luxuries Mastercard. Next, look at Citibank Ultima credit card. And minimum asset required is 5 million. Annual fee is 38888. They offer exclusive deal at MBS. Okay, 24 hours use of luxury yacht. You can use a sports car. Also access to chauffeur. Next, we look at American Express Century card, or as known, popular known as the black card. The black card. Is known informally as the black card. Minimum assets required is 16.3 mil. Minimum annual income is 1.3 mil. Annual fee is 7,400 plus. There's no credit limit. The benefits, there's dedicated concierge and travel agent. Access to airports club. Is first class flight upgrades. There's hotel benefits and privilege at hotel chains. Exclusive access to top-notch clubs. Next, we look at another card. Dubai First Royal Mastercard. Is by invitation only. Members will be the royalty, oil tycoon, and there's dedicated relationship manager. The card is made of real gold and diamond. And there's no spending limits. Then it looks like another card. Sure Bank Visa Infinite Gold card. Same thing, invitation only. Members will be the top 100 customers, okay, of the bank. For the card, you got to pay 65K for the card and 45K for security deposit. The card is made of solid gold and 26 diamonds. And there's no spending limits.